So earlier, I was sitting getting these weeds, right?
And you
clean the backyard.
cook.
What the fuck?
And you were gonna cook. Let me start living.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Tell him to say something interesting.
Watch this video and tell me what you think.
Stop. I'm scared.
Nobody thinks it's funny. Why does nobody think it's funny? Isn't that supposed to be your humor? Just random and stupid?
I mean, that's just...
I'm gonna try and catch a duck.
Okay.
I'm gonna act like one of them, okay? That's so scary.
Anybody who posts their vlog on my story gets a shout out at the end of the outro.
Wow, I swear.
Hint.
No, you thought.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I know.
You know, like David Dobrik, you know how like, not the camera.
James, you are the very first pregnant man, and you are the doctor. 2, 1, action.
Okay. What are your pains? Tell me, like, is your stomach in pain? Is your...
Damn it, bro. Is that doggy?
Is that doggo?
That's a dog, right?
No one's here.
You have dogs though, right? I swear to God.
Ouija board. We should have done Ouija board.
I think our dog's right there.
Right where?
Why would you say that? I'm sorry. Can I keep this though?
Is the pain coming from your
Where do you think it's coming from?
bubble or which one?
There's a third hole now, you know that, right? Come on!
I've never seen this before. I'm so sorry.
You've never seen this before.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Actually shit yourself.
Yeah. You just found out that she cheated on you with Big Bird. You just had some bomb sex with Big Bird.
How was work? You fine? Like,
Yeah.
why do you seem so
I know.
what?
You're fucking Big Bird.
Big Bird.
I've seen your text.
Are you crazy?
Big Bird, the one on the screen.
Huh? Big Bird. Big Bird.
You're gonna act like you don't know who Big Bird is.
Bitch, I don't know who Big Bird is.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Big Bird. Big Bird. My friend Big Bird?
Is it bigger?
What is...
Do you love him?
You don't want to ask us questions.
The puppet! What do you even do with that?
Bitch. He's packing now. Actually, he's outside, but like, hold on.
This girl. You're horse girl. And then one who gallops in class with the long ponytail.
Okay, listen, I'm gonna say this, right?
Okay.
I was about to look up horse porn, but then I realized I was like,
Hey, since you love horses, can you gallop for me? So what you got?
I mean, I could. I mean, I'm a little embarrassed, but...
Hello! Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and comment what you think about it. Subscribe if you want to see more. But if you don't want to wait, I also have vlogs from the past week and a half, somewhere around here, that I've been working on with my friends, with James and everybody. I'm gonna start doing shout outs at the end of this outro. So if you guys want a shout out of your Instagram name or Snapchat, whatever you want it to be, post me on your story, post me somewhere, and DM me and tag me, because shout outs. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, I love it, then my heat go off.